Hi Lisha, you seem upset. What's wrong?
Hi Shane. Well, I've been to 2 or 3 pharmacies, and I can't find the medicine I need. I'm so tired.
Oh, you don't have to waste your time and energy going from one pharmacy to another. There's great app that can help you with that.
Really? What is it?
It's called MEDFINDER. Let me explain. It's very simple. Here it is. When you first open the app, you will be greeted with an interface where you can either register or log in. Registration can be done by entering your preferred username, email and password. Since you are a customer, you should choose the customer option in the category section. After the registration process, you can simply log into your account. This is the home screen of MEDFINDER where you can browse medicine, search your prescription, or find deals and offers. You can find your desired medicine by uploading the prescription or searching manually by entering the medicine name, or you can find medicine easily by selecting all category option. Here you can see various kinds of medicines. Selecting the Upload Your Prescription option will take you to screen where you can scan the prescription through your mobile phone's camera or by selecting a photo of the prescription from your gallery. Selecting the Search Medicine option will take you to a screen where you can enter the medicine name and the category it belongs to by simply clicking the search button. In both cases, you will be greeted with a short description of your medicine and the nearest location where you can find it. Clicking the Direction button will lead you to a GPS map where you can follow directions to the nearest pharmacy from your location.